Hey guys, Smuggler's Build here, and today I'm going to be building Blade from the movies uh, portrayed by Wesley Snipes. This will probably be one of the cooler builds I've done. Um, so we're just gonna go down to minifigs or parts, Marvel. Keep going, and went too far. I think, yeah, went too far. But no. It's not here. Last time it was. I built Blade a long time ago, so. Uh, oh, here it is. Nick Fury legs. That's the one that you want. So then you go to minifigs, upper parts, and you're going to scroll down to superheroes, Marvel. We're just going to go down to the exclusive figs. Well, near the exclusive figs. Some of the newer sets. You want to use the Blade figure, the Blade torso from the Blade figure that came with the Daily Bugle. And we're going to center it so we can get kind of close with it just a little bit. Heads. We're not going to use the head, the blade head that came with the Daily Bugle set because it's not right. It's not the correct headpiece that really should be there. It doesn't make sense why Blade should be happy. It's just not there. If you watch the old Blade movies, he never smiles really. So these are kind of good. Just gonna check for more, but as far as I know, that's the closest thing you can get to having it. The blade head, again, not that good. That came with the set. Not too jazzed about that. So now we're gonna go to hairs. And I'm gonna keep scrolling. And yeah, here it is, Zane. We're gonna use the head from Zane. The hair from Zane. Solid. But you do get this in the back. That is kind of a problem. So like some other builds that I have done, you can't really, wait, no. Yeah, we're just gonna leave it at that. The back is kind of distracting, just a little bit. You could exchange the hairpiece for, something else. You take that one out and use the hairpiece that was with the set. No, I have to recenter it again. Here, no. So you could, do something like that, or something different. I'll probably do another blade fig sometime. Maybe not this month, but probably next month. Because this month, October, I will be doing a. Actually, I'm going to post. No, I'm. Yeah, I'm going to do it next month because this month I'll be doing Halloween stuff. So like some considered scary stuff. So I'll be doing those next time. This one will be here this week of October. The last week, so like Halloween week, I'll be doing Dracula, Wolfman, and Frankenstein's monster. Not in the same video, but that same week. I'll be doing it that same week. Even though I do these on Mondays, I will be doing them. I will be doing the Halloween ones this week. So if you like this one, you can go check out some other ones. Like I said, I'm going to be doing the Blade one next month. So if you like that one, you can go, check that one out. And I will see you guys later. Bye.